Here we go with our second box. I guess this is the fourth one we've made a video of. Going back over that last box, it's probably the best one we've actually gotten so far with that Toes Spectrum. Tays, Toes, whatever everybody calls them. Well, I'm going to try the left stack again, see what happens. My theory wasn't correct. I never seem to get the autograph. I always get a redemption right off the top. What a way to start. Or I mean a decoy. Here's a big fat decoy. Got a Winning Materials, 2-color, purple and white. J.S. Zuger. These are pretty consistent for the amount of hits you get out of them, but you just gotta see who they are.
Rookie?
Oh, just one second. Got a rookie, 56 out of 9.99. Steve Wagner. Never seem to hit jersey numbers, they're always close. And I got the dual jersey rookie, Jonathan Sigalet. 2 colors. Haven't found too much just 1-colored things in these.
Is that a patch?
Who's that?
Number.
Not too bad it's an Oiler, but it's a pretty sweet patch. An Ales Hemsky. Number 93 out of 99. I can't remember if that's his jersey number. He's got a 3 on his jersey. Oh, 83. So close again. But that patch is, what, 1, 2, 3 colors with a whole bunch of breaks, and it's the Spectrum at a 99. Pretty good patch there. I'll be getting some more boxes from this guy. I think I got these 2 from Empire Sports Cards. It's in New York. We're in Calgary, Alberta, so it took a while to get here, but pretty happy with what we're getting here. Should also have by the end of next week my first couple of boxes from blowoutcards.com. They're gonna give me a little bit of a sponsored deal on some boxes. Got the Simone Gagne Extreme. And every time I switch sides I don't get any of the hits. Here's the winning combos. Boris Salming, Matt Sundin, not numbered. 2 different colors of blue. Salming's probably pretty old. My thick pack will be a decoy, I'm guessing. And I'm right. Big decoy and all base. Lots of base cards. I've made about 3 sets of these so far. Just looking for a couple missing out of one of them. It's the base set anyway. Finally got a jersey here. Oh, and it's not bad. Too bad they're both white, but it's the Flashback Fabrics. Brendan Shanahan, two white jerseys. Pretty good mixture of stuff out of these 2 boxes. That should be the extra one out of this one, so I'm not sure what we're going to have left. Just some numbered cards. In the last few packs here. It's a Dennis Potvin Extreme. Should probably try to put this Extreme set together. You get quite a few of them out of the boxes. I think this is our 7th one altogether. I'd probably have a set of them if I had gotten rid of some of them. Another jersey. We're missing the autographed rookie here. Oh, it's another pretty good one again. A Jack Johnson, numbered out of 9.99. 2 black jerseys. Nice signature on that though. Still haven't gotten one out of 4.99. Got a few packs left here. We could get another numbered card at least, or another decoy. All base. Chris Connor rookie, numbered out of 999. Lots of base. And this might be all base, this one. All base in the last pack, so yeah, if you see anything you like, it'll be on YYC Sports Cards. This stuff probably not till next week because I had a bunch this week. And if you want it outside of that, shoot me a message on YouTube before then. Thanks for watching.